Hi everybody, my name is Robin Lawrenson. My Instagram handle is Mother Pixels and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I am at Sunshine Meadows, and what I've decided that I want to start doing with my YouTube channel is just basically showing you all the different hikes that you can do here around the Banff area, Canmore, Kananaskis, just basically anything in Alberta. I know that when I was starting off in photography, I was getting bored of going to the same places over and over and over again, so I started getting a little bit more into hiking. But I am not an avid hiker and I am not super fit. So a lot of these hikes are going to be, I would say a lot of them are going to be easy and they're going to be very picturesque. So basically you'll be able to, oh, there's a car coming. You'll be able to take some really beautiful photos as well as be able to go outdoors and enjoy nature and have all that good stuff for your mental health. So one of the most beautiful hikes to do in the summer here in Banff National Park, if not, and I dare say, the most beautiful hike is Sunshine Meadows. I give this hike basically a 9 out of 10. It is easy, children can do it, the elderly can do it, you don't have to be super fit. So if you have small kids, I would say 5 and up, they can do the whole hike and it's really, really pretty. So what makes this hike very special, one, is not crowded. So unlike, for example, if you were to go to Lake Louise or Moraine Lake, it is super, super crowded. When I did this hike, I was shocked at how many stretches of just basically solitude I had while doing this hike. Secondly is the insane amount of wildflowers, which hopefully I'll be able to show you. So where I left off before we started the hike was the third thing I love the most about this hike is that there's 3 lakes. So we just made it to the first lake, which is called Rock Isle. And then there's 2 more, Grizzly and Larches. I don't think I'm going to make it to the other 2, but there's basically 3 lakes around here that you just hike around. It's super easy. Lots of flowers, as you can see. So definitely the most beautiful hike in the Canadian Rockies for the summer.